Hello everyone, today we are at Tathavde and I am at the 2 BHK sample flat of Rohan Ananta project. And as we all know, Rohan Ananta is one of the best selling projects since 2019 of this location. So this is the sample flat of 724 square feet which was in the previous phases. And in phase 3 we have the maximum size of 739 square feet. So there won't be much changes, the pattern will be same. So please have a look at this sample flat. This side will be your entrance lobby. This is your living room. This side will be your TV unit. This side will be your dining space. Just in front of the kitchen, having L-shaped platform. Here you can put your refrigerator, and this is your dry balcony. In front of the living room you will get your terrace. So we have options in terrace. Either you will get in living room or in your master bedroom as per the availability. So this is a spacious terrace, you can see. We are also providing lofts just like this to put your AC outlet. This side is your common bedroom or children bedroom or guest bedroom. And here extra wardrobe space is also provided, as you can see. Moving forward, this is your common wash basin just beside your common washroom. So you can see how beautifully it has been designed. The tile selection, the color combination, these all things matters. And as we know, Rohan Builders is well known for his construction quality and the product delivery. Now this side will be your master bedroom. It is also a very spacious one. With an attached toilet, attached WC. And as I told you, we have options in terrace. So this is the terrace attached to the master bedroom. This is also a very spacious one, and it is even bigger than the living room terrace, having this loft space. So this project is of 8 acres. It is a Bombay-Pune highway touch property. It comes under Tathavde location and under PCMC. It is having 12 towers of 1 and 2 BHK, and currently we are doing ad campaign of phase 3 having 4 towers, B1, B2, B3, B4, 2 towers has already been launched and 2 towers are yet to be launched. So please contact us to know more details. Please like this video, share to your friends and relatives, and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. So thank you so much for watching this video.